If you remember, the latest device from the company Huawei is this. The Nova 2S. This phone comes with an 18:9 full-view display. But now, Huawei is looking to make some changes in this department. Today we have some more information about the upcoming Huawei P20, which is still looking couple months from release. The latest details come from a leaked browser benchmark that indicates the phone's screen will have a somewhat unorthodox 18:7:9 aspect ratio. The test has been performed with a mobile browser, which usually shows only 1/3 of the real resolutions of the devices. According to the benchmark, the resolution is 360 into 748 pixels, and if we multiply it by 3, we obtain 1080 into 2244 pixels. That should be the real resolution of the upcoming phone by Huawei. The unusual aspect ratio and screen resolution of 1080 into 2244 pixels suggest that the rumored bezel-less screen is going to be a reality for the Huawei P20. Other smartphones with bezel-less displays have had unusual aspect ratios that don't line up with 16:9, which is starting to feel a bit old school. However, a bezel-less display might help the P20 to keep up with the competition, but Huawei will still need something to set itself apart in an exciting way. As for rumored specifications of the P20 goes, the phone may be somewhat exciting with its expected Kirin 970 chipset and 8 GB of RAM, but the feature that gets the most buzz may be the rumored triple lens camera, with one sensor going as high as 40 megapixels. And a 24 megapixels front-facing camera doesn't hurt to tack on. Most of these details still remain unconfirmed rumors or leaks, but we should hopefully find out more about the phone from Huawei itself at Mobile World Congress in February. Let me know your opinions. Can we able to see the P20 during the Mobile World Congress? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope to get the exact information of P20 launch as soon as possible. However, the Nova 2S didn't looks bad, isn't it? Stay tuned for its everything in one style review. That's all guys. If you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And as always, keep watching and